Alright guys, welcome back to another What's in the Box video. Today we're going to be looking at the iChlor-30 saltwater generator by the brand Pentair. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Okay, so here we have everything that's included in the box laid out. The system has two main components. Right here is your main power supply center, and this here is your cell where the chlorination takes place. And for this model, where your controls are also located. And there are also some little things included like your manual, your collars, your unions, and there's also an adapter that is included for those wanting to replace an iChlor to an existing i-chlor series. This is a really nice touch that gives you the ability to quickly and easily make that transition from an old i-chlor to this iChlor series saltwater generator. One thing you'll notice difference about this model is where the controls are located. Now most salt systems have a control as part of the power center, but the iChlor has electrons built into the cell. Looking at the cell, you'll see that it has a protective lid to access the keypad. Very simple controls. You have your output buttons to increase or decrease your chlorine output, along with some status LEDs. Also, as part of the cell, you'll see there's a built-in flow switch here. Installation is a fairly simple process. Many customers report installs taking as little as 45 minutes or even less if you're replacing an older i-chlor model. Pentair currently provides a 60-day limited warranty on the iChlor. Purchases that follow Pentair's trade grade guidelines and pays for a professional installation will qualify for a 3-year limited warranty. So keep this in mind when making your decision. Well, that wraps up the iChlor series by Pentair, another great saltwater generator to add to your options. If you find it on our website, discountsaltpool.com, and like always, if you have any questions, please give us a call. I'm JR, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.